sklearn. Decomposition. Incremental PCA. Description. Incremental PCA is a class in scikit-learn for performing dimensionality reduction using principal component analysis PCA. It is designed for handling large datasets that cannot fit into memory at once. Instead of loading the entire dataset into memory, incremental PCA processes data in batches, updating its model incrementally. This makes it suitable for scenarios where data arrives sequentially or when memory constraints are a concern. Inputs. XA2D array representing the input data. Each row corresponds to a data point, and each column represents a feature. The shape of X is n samples. N features. Batch size, the number of data points to process in each batch. This value should be set according to available memory resources. A larger batch size can result in faster processing but requires more memory. Outputs. X-transformed A2D array representing the transformed data in the lower dimensional space. The shape of X-transformed is n samples. N components. Components. A2D array containing the principal components. Each row represents a principal component, and each column corresponds to a feature. The shape of components is n components. N features. Steps. The algorithm first initializes the principal components using a small initial batch of data. Subsequent batches of data are then processed one by one. For each batch, the algorithm updates the principal components based on the new data. The update process involves calculating the covariance matrix for the current batch, then updating the eigenvectors and eigenvalues of the covariance matrix. This process continues until all data has been processed. Metrics. Explained variance ratio. This metric represents the proportion of variance in the original data that is captured by each principal component. Reconstruction error. This metric measures the difference between the original data and reconstructed data after dimensionality reduction. Visualization plots. Scree-plot. A scree-plot shows the explained variance ratio of each principal component. It helps visualize the importance of different components and identify the optimal number of components to keep. Biplot. A biplot displays both the data points and the principal components in a 2D or 3D space. It provides insights into the relationships between features and data points in the reduced dimensionality. Fine-tune parameters. N components. The number of components to keep. This parameter controls the dimensionality of the reduced space. Whiten. A boolean indicating whether to whiten the transformed data. Whitening ensures that all components have unit variance, which can be useful for some downstream tasks. Copy. A boolean indicating whether to copy the input data before processing. If false, the input data is modified in place. Uncertainty methods. Confidence intervals. Confidence intervals can be calculated for the principal components to quantify the uncertainty in their estimates. Bootstrapping. Bootstrapping can be used to estimate the variability of the principal components and the explained variance ratio. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Data drift. If the data distribution changes over time, the previously learned principal components may become outdated. Sample use case. An online recommendation system where user preferences evolve over time. Fixes. Periodically retrain the incremental PCA model with new data to adapt to data drift. Use a sliding window approach to process only recent data points. Challenge 2. Memory constraints. Handling large datasets can be challenging, especially when memory is limited. Sample use case. Analyzing sensor data from a large number of devices. Fixes. Reduce the batch size to minimize memory usage. Consider using a distributed computing framework to process data across multiple machines. Challenge 3. High computational cost. Processing large datasets can be computationally expensive, especially for a high number of features. Sample use case. Analyzing images with millions of pixels. Fixes. Use a smaller number of components to reduce the dimensionality. Consider using a GPU for accelerated processing. Employ techniques like feature selection to reduce the number of features before performing PCA.